Check it out, guys. Welcome back to Lolo Creates. My name is Lauren and this is my channel. I make bullet journal videos and DIY videos so that you can stay organized and have a little bit of creativity in your life. Today's video is going to be my August bullet journal setup. I decided to go with a VW van and surfboard kind of beachy theme, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Without further ado, let's just keep on watching. On the cover page, I decided to draw this Volkswagen van, and I tried to make it look like an older one and not the newer ones that they have. I put some surfboards up top like it was going to the beach. On the left side of the page, I decided to draw these little signs that were pointing in different directions. I thought it was perfect. Kind of looked like at a beach where you'd have a sign pointing you to different places, and I know I've seen pictures of these all over, and I decided this would be my monthly playlist spread because I'm trying to save a few pages because I've used way too many in this notebook, so I don't want to get a new one until 2021, so I'm really trying to save pages. I colored in these signs different colors, blues, greens, and some oranges. I basically wanted to make them look pretty bright, where you'd see in those little photos of people going to beaches with these types of signs. I'll leave all the color codes to all the pens that I use, as well as any extras that I use. I'm coloring in the little post with the brown. I decided to color the van in this kind of electric blue color. I thought it was the perfect color for a van like this. A lot of cars in the old days were these colors. And then I decided to add some accents of color to the surfboard and color in the wheels. On the left side, I wrote August 2020 playlist. I'm going to fill in those little signs with the music for the month. For the calendar spread, I decided to make this huge calendar because this is what I seem to gravitate towards. It's easy to see what day is on what, and I like writing in events here. On the right side of the page, I always put YouTube and Instagram boxes just for my benefit. You can use these as goals or whatever you want. And then I colored in all the little signs that I had. Don't worry about being too perfect. I also put August 2020 on that top sign, and I wrote the days of the week at the top. Here's where I dated my boxes, and then I wrote my titles on my little signs. For the first weekly spread, I decided to do the surfboards in the top left corner. Then I drew boxes for each day of the week that were 11 by 17, and then I drew a little sign at the top for the day of the week. Then I added color to all the little signs. I also wrote August up in the top corner on the surfboards and outlined them. I honestly wish I didn't outline them. I thought it would add some pop, but it didn't. So then you can write the days of the week on the signs. Moving on to the next week, I decided to draw a little beach chair in one of those kind of 11 by 17 boxes. I did go a little bit over. It doesn't really matter. It just stays kind of in that range. As you can tell, it's on top of one of the boxes. And then I drew boxes for every day of the week. I decided to leave the tops blank so that I could write the days of the week in cursive on top. And then I colored in the wood on this chair with the brown color that I used for the wood signs on the first page. And then I drew some stripes on the chair because this is the style of chair I've seen. And to add some more pops of color, I outlined the boxes with some colors on two of the sides, kind of like a drop shadow, but with color instead of black. For the next spread, I decided to do the same box layout, except I didn't put anything in the top left corner. I decided to do it in the bottom right corner. I think this box layout is best for me. Let me know what kinds of layouts you like, and maybe I'll try them in some future spreads. I drew a Volkswagen van with the surfboards on top, kind of like the first page. And then I colored in the front of it. I also added pops of color to the surfboards. And on this one, I decided to outline the entire box. And I just alternated colors on each of the boxes. Just to be a little different, I decided to write the dates in all caps going up the side, starting from the bottom. On the next page, I decided to draw a big Volkswagen bus from the side view. And then I did the cursive up the side for the boxes. On the left 2, it was on the left side, and the right 4, it was on the right side. And then I colored in the Volkswagen van with blue on the side. And then I finished off the tires. Here's a final flip through of all my spreads. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and please tell me what your favorite spread was down below. I hope to see you in my next video or on my social media.